What are the key responsibilities you must be aware of as a landlord in the residential leasing process? This is a question that may be top of mind for many of you. Firstly, it's important to understand that one of the core responsibilities is maintaining the property. This includes regular upkeep, addressing repairs promptly, and ensuring that the residence is habitable. Next, as a landlord, you're also expected to comply with local laws and regulations. This can include everything from zoning laws to health and safety regulations. In other words, it's not just about owning a property, it's also about understanding and adhering to the law. Lastly, ensuring tenant safety is paramount. This means providing secure locks, installing smoke detectors, and maintaining a safe environment overall. These responsibilities may seem daunting, but they are part and parcel of the leasing process. Remember, knowing your responsibilities is the first step to becoming a successful landlord. So let's embark on this journey together. How can you find the right tenant for your property? That's a question every landlord grapples with. The journey begins with advertising your property. You want to reach as many potential tenants as possible, so consider multiple avenues. Local newspapers, online platforms, and even word of mouth can be effective. Once the applications start rolling in, it's time for tenant screening. This step is about more than just financial stability. Although that's certainly important, you're also looking for reliability, respect for property, and a good rental history. Don't forget to check references. Lastly, it's crucial to understand fair housing laws. These laws are designed to prevent discrimination and ensure equal opportunity in housing for all. Ignorance isn't an excuse, so make sure you're familiar with the rules in your area. In essence, finding the right tenant requires a balance of effective marketing, thorough screening, and legal awareness. Finding the right tenant is crucial in ensuring a smooth lease process. What makes a lease agreement solid and legally binding? The answer lies in the details. A solid lease agreement is the cornerstone of a successful tenancy. It's more than just a document. It's a roadmap for a mutually beneficial relationship between the landlord and the tenant. It provides clear expectations, responsibilities, and consequences for both parties. First, it should specify the lease term, how long the agreement will last. Is it a year-long lease, month to month? This sets the timeline for the relationship. Next, the rent amount should be clearly stated. This includes when it's due, how it's to be paid, and what happens if it's late. A security deposit clause is also essential. It protects the landlord's property and provides a safety net for any potential damages. Finally, the agreement should outline the responsibilities and obligations of both the landlord and the tenant. Who takes care of maintenance? Who handles emergencies? A solid lease agreement protects both the landlord and the tenant and sets clear expectations for the lease term. How do you manage a tenancy and maintain the property effectively? Let's dive right in. The key to managing a tenancy effectively lies in open communication and prompt action. When it comes to collecting rent, consider setting up automatic payments to ensure a smooth process. Now, on to property maintenance. Regular upkeep is vital for a property's longevity. This involves everything from small repairs to major renovations. Be proactive. Address minor issues before they become costly problems. Dealing with tenant issues can be tricky. Listen to their concerns, approach situations with empathy, and seek to find a resolution that works for both parties. Remember, a happy tenant is more likely to be a long-term tenant. Property inspections are another crucial aspect of management. Conduct regular inspections, but make sure to provide ample notice to your tenants. This not only maintains a good landlord-tenant relationship, but also ensures that your property remains in good condition. Effective property management and maintenance can result in a successful and profitable tenancy. What should you do when the lease ends, and how do you prepare for the next tenancy? Well, as we wrap up the lease, it's crucial to conduct a final property inspection. This is your chance to assess any damages beyond normal wear and tear. It's also the perfect opportunity to document the property's condition, which can be useful for future reference. Next, you need to return the security deposit. This might seem straightforward, but remember, any deductions should be justified and communicated clearly to the tenant. Now, if there are no issues, return the full amount promptly. But wrapping up the lease isn't just about tying up loose ends, it's also about preparing for the next tenant. This means cleaning and making necessary repairs to ensure the property is in top-notch condition. It's all about making a great first impression to attract the best possible tenant. Are you a landlord in Cook County, Illinois, looking for professional property management? If so, consider engaging 3 Pentacles PLLC. They offer comprehensive services from thorough tenant screening to meticulous lease management. Their team of seasoned professionals understands the nuances of property management, ensuring a smooth tenancy and effective maintenance of your property. With their help, you can avoid the hassle of dealing with tenant issues, property repairs, and other challenges that come with being a landlord. Plus, they can help keep your property in top-notch condition, making it more attractive to potential tenants. With Three Pinnacles PLLC, you can rest easy knowing your property is in good hands. They take care of everything so you can focus on what matters most to you.